Hi, it's Barb again with all your plant-based recipes. Today we're going to make chocolate peanut butter ice cream in the Ninja Creami. And as usual, no dairy and no processed sugar. Should be great. Okay, so the first part is we're going to be chilling our peanut butter in the freezer for 30 minutes. It'll make it more workable. I'm using crunchy peanut butter, organic. It's like a heaping tablespoon for each one of the Ninja Cremi Cups. So we're going to put this in the freezer and chill it for 30 minutes. So we're going to start with 1 can of chickpeas and 1 can of black beans. These are both organic. We have 6 pitted Medjool dates. That's for sweetness. We have 1 banana, half a cup of organic maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, 1 cup of water, half a teaspoon of lemon extract, and a whole teaspoon of almond extract. So this is the Ninja blender. This is excellent. We're going to mix it up now. So the blender is done. And we also have our peanut butter out of the freezer after a half hour. And it's nice and hard. So we're going to dump the batter into the Ninja Cremi Cups. We're going to fill them almost halfway. We want to make sure we have enough for 3. I'm going to take a spatula and get the rest. Okay, now we're going to be taking the peanut butter. It hardened quite a bit in the freezer, and we're just going to take it like little spoonfuls, and we're going to dump it loosely into the batter. Now this you can put as much as you want or don't want. I'm going to put like 3 scoops in each one. We're not going to mix it. We're just going to place it loosely and randomly into the batter. Okay, now I'm just going to like push them down just a little bit so it kind of gets in there but stays as chunks. I'm going to put a little bit more in this one. Okay. So now we're going to put the tops on, and we're going to put these in the freezer overnight. Now remember to always check your tops. Listen for that pop. Keep them level as you put them in the freezer. Okay, we're going to put these in the freezer overnight, and tomorrow we're going to put them in the Ninja Creami and make some wonderful, delicious chocolate peanut butter ice cream. Okay, so the ice cream is all frozen. It went overnight in the freezer. We're going to place it into the Ninja Creami holder. And we're going to put it on ice cream. Okay, so now we're going to put a little bit of peanut butter in as a mix-in. Just going to put it into the center. This was left over from yesterday. top back on. And we will put it on mixing. Okay, so let's see how this came out. Oh, look, nice and creamy. Nice and creamy. So let's scoop that out into our ice cream bowl. Taste chocolate peanut butter, no dairy, no processed sugar. That's really rich and delicious. Like and subscribe.